See if you guys can work this out for me. I'm trying to design a tent. This here is a metal pole, and this is also a metal pole here, and this is a string that binds everything together. I want you to work out the total length of this string here. Okay. The distance from here to here is 20 centimeters. The distance from here to here is 70 centimeters, and this is obviously 100, and this is 110. This is a right angle triangle, and so is this one here. So somehow work out the total length of this string here. You've got to use your imagination here, because when you're given a diagram or whatever situation, you can use your imagination. You can actually split this up like this, and then if you wanted to, you could find out this length here. So here you've got yourself a triangle, a right angle triangle. Or there are lots of ways of doing this. You could actually split it up like this. So here you got yourself another right angle triangle. Okay. So use your imagination. Somehow split things up, and well, your aim is to find out the total length here. Oh, rather than finding out the whole length here, you could actually just cut this thing up in half. So forget about this half and just work out this length here and work out this length here, and then later on times 2 to give you the total length. But your task is to find out the total length. Okay. Do whatever you want. Just find the total length of the string. So press pause and have a go. Okay. Rather than finding out the total length, let's just forget about half of it. Okay. Let's just forget about this half. So in effect, we are trying to find out this length here. Okay. Find out that length, and then add it to this length, and then later we can times 2, and that will give us the whole length. Well, anyway, let's find out this length here. This is a small. Look at this triangle here. This small triangle here. Let's call this x. Okay. So later on we can call this y, but let's call it x for the time being. So looking at this small triangle here, x equals, x squared equals, because x is the longest side, x squared equals 20 squared plus 70 squared. So this squared would be 400, and this one would be plus 70 squared would be 7 times 7 is 49 with 2 zeros here. This would be like this, and then add the 2 together, so it would be 5,300. Okay, so x squared equals that. So x equals root 5,300. Okay, and now let's call this length here y. Call this one y. But here's a trick. You've got to do this. Split it down here. Imagine a vertical line going down here. So here you've got yourself a right angle triangle. Can you see that? This triangle here. Okay. So remember this is 100. Okay, because I deleted the other half. This is 100. So if this is 100, then this must be 100. Okay. So here we've got a triangle that's 100 here, and well, look at this here. If this is 100, if this is 110, then this length here must, well, this is 110. This is 70. So this length here must be 40. Okay. So you've got to, so this length here is 100. This is 40, and then, well, you've got enough information to work out y. So y squared equals 100 squared plus, well, remember, from here to here is 110, and then from here to here is 70. So So if you get 110, take away 70, what's left will be 40. Well, this length here is 40. Well, anyway, equals 40 squared. Okay, and now 100 squared would be 10000. That's 10,000. Plus 4 times 4, 16 with 2 zeros. So here, now add the two together. So it will be 11600. Okay, and now square root both sides. Square root both sides. It will be root 11600. And now all you have to do now is get y. So this is y here. Add it to x here. Add it to x here. Okay, and then times the whole lot by 2. So the answer total equals root 11. You can punch this into your calculator. Add it to root 5300, and then times the whole lot by 2. Okay, so the total length is this. It's a bit messy, but so total equals 2 bracket root 1666 well, whatever, plus root 5300, and then close it. Oh, you can forget about this. So that this here would be your answer. Okay. If you want to know the answer, if you really want to know it as a decimal, then punch this into your calculator, add it to this, and then times 2. Okay. All right.